And Jacob's methods don't stop at soil mapping and programmable tractors, because he now uses drones to spray the fields.
If you look into the future in 50 years or something, we will have tractors. But a lot of it will also be drones.
And he had to deploy some admirable cunning to get round some very strict EU laws.
There was only one problem, Jeremy. It's not allowed to fly drones in Europe. It's not allowed to fly them by computer. It's not allowed to fly, let them swarm, let them work together. You cannot do anything. So
yeah,
did you know what we did? I started an airport.
What?
Yeah, I can fly whatever I want.
What, you just made your farm an airport?
I made my farm an airport.
That is so cool. Outside, he offered to demonstrate his spraying drone, which was not what you'd call small. Jesus. If you crash-landed that on a playground...
Yeah, you'd be...
It would be on the news. How much spray does it?
So we have a tank of 50 liters.
And how much would this field need?
And that will be 1 hectare, and we can do that in 8 minutes.
I normally spray about 125 to 150 litres a hectare.
So you could program it to come back to the yard, you just top it up, and it goes back out to whatever field we're doing.
I don't want to do that, though.
I know you don't, because you like driving tractors.
Yeah.
But as a man who's about to embrace the future, I need to be looking at this ship. Once its tank had been filled with weed killer, Jacob punched in all the information it would need for its spraying flight. Lots of codes.
How much liters are we going to spray, which pressure, which droplet size. Now he's spraying now. See?
Oh, wow.
So he's now doing the first run. Stops at the headland. Makes the turn.
I'm amazed.
And I'm not. It's doing it by
You're
itself.
not touching anything. Bloody hell. I'm just so embarrassed by our drone, which is just pathetic.
But this is actually how 80% of the world is going to spray their crops.
Has to. Oh, Caleb, that is impressive.
If it's really hot on a summer's day, I'm ginger. I can't stand outside and hold that.
So you can sit in the car. You can sit in the car.
If I apply to have an airport at Diddley Squat, there will be one objection from him. So he's done that field in 5 minutes, right. And then he'll come and land where he started.
That automatic landing.
Fucking hell, Caleb, that is impressive. But also, think how quiet that is.
My tractor's quiet.
Not as quiet as that. Reluctant though he was about welcoming in the New World Order, as we drove away, Caleb had to give Jacob his due.
That's serious farming.
Yeah, that man was a serious farmer.
He was a serious farmer.
If he's got 32,000 tonnes of potatoes a year at 250 pounds a tonne, that's 8 million pounds of the potatoes every year.
Yeah.
I mean, the kit was just ridiculous.
Yeah. My mind is still, there's so much information has gone into my mind.